it full and grudge. They try to stop it, but we don't give a fuck.
Above them, they watching down. That me not backing down. Don't get you locking. No rice, but you're backing. Like go hand me snapping now. Go hand it happen now. No man can stop it now. Hold that down, locking down. Y'all getting lashing now. Big ups and chopping down. Bust down, she stacking now. Release the cracking now.
Style full of gimmick, full of rhyme.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Boost! Back in with another video for you guys. Right now we're here with a hot artist from out of Guyana. Hey people, we have Dappa featuring Cleen, Steel, song called Higher and Higher. People, right now we don't know what to go on, you know. We react to some song from that brother already. You see me I say? We have song like Big Drip. Go check out them reaction. Go check out the song also. Song hot piece of song. You see me I say? All them song I don't need to check them out. You see me? So link to everything will be down below in the comment section and also the description of this video. You understand? Make him the reaction bar sending over there. So, but guess what? We're gonna make him prove it for himself. We're gonna make him prove say him hot for himself. You understand me I say? So right now for the react to that song, people, and see what's going on right now. It's a music video, so like that. You know we like oh no, I love it when it's a music video. You see me I say? We got the lighter on deck, don't get it twisted. And we got the bumbuckle bed shades on decks, so don't get it twisted. Make we see what's going on right now. Right tune! Ninja visual. Cleen. Man, I ask him. Hold on, I can't tell that we are here. Go on!
On bad mind.
Alright then.
Big up everybody, Guyana, yo.
Dappa the done.
Clean steel.
Wakanda forever. Every time we try to knock we down, we climb higher and higher. Yeah, higher and higher. Every time we try to knock we down, we climb higher and higher. Yeah, higher and higher.
Yo, them the one they smoke dark, them are just starting. Catchy lung cancer soon as them hardin'. Them try to trap me, but me ups a market. They face if my new one car squad falling. I am off the chart, damn, they know they can't stop me. Drive me own car, enough of them need a taxi in the front.
Richard! Hey, that's guy.
On bad mind.
Bad man, I can't tell.
Big up everybody, Guyana, yo.
Dappa the
Big up
done.
everybody at Guyana, yo.
Steel.
Ready now?
Wakanda forever. Every time we try to knock we down, we climb higher and higher.
Alright,
Higher and higher. Every time we try to knock we down, we climb higher and higher. Higher and higher.
Yo, them the one they smoke dark, them are just starting. Catchy lung cancer soon as them hardin'. Them try to trap me, but me ups a market. Me face if my new one car squad.
Them are trying to stop we, but them are just talk. Go on!
I am off the chart, damn, they know they can't stop me. Drive me own car, enough of them need a taxi. In a front seat face, and we put them in a box. Six slap on your girl, last them think about a latch me. Fly like a bird, think a bald eagle hatch me. Not Junty Rose, none of them couldn't catch me. Not satellite crumbs in your throat like Maxi.
I don't know about buff in the car. I don't know about them thing and the master driving my old car. You see man old car shine, man I buff that yo. You see me I say shine. Go
All
on!
the way up,
Every time we try to knock we down, we climb higher and higher. Higher and higher. Every time we try to knock we down, we climb higher and higher. Higher and higher. We are talk about bad mind and hateful and grudge. They try to stop it, but we know me not budge. Bad mind and hateful and grudge. They try to stop it, but we don't give a fudge. Hey, we style fresh out of the box like a label on it. The people say we run the world.
You see the edits? You see the edits? But the guy same style fresh out of the box, you see the label on it.
Name the panic, smoother than ceramic, yeah, you know we never panic. Super savage running through the paper, supersonic. Them a wonder dog, if I am the underdog.
Superhero edits. Hey, the video, one of the best video, one of the baddest videos from out of Guyana. Pirated, go on.
They better try along, no time for monologue.
Yeah.
We run the world like an athlete, fast feet, drive the girl crazy. Backseat, we have lyrics in abundance, don't feel some undone.
Well, you know, lyrics I kick out teeth face and then mouth, you know, but I know the reaction box over there, give you the bad reaction, you know, people. And I tell you already, you know, people. I know someone gonna like the song, you know, dog. I know some the artist gonna prove him point, you know, people. I tell him say him bad already, you know, but I make him prove it to himself right now, you know, people. If you want to go to the song and watch a video for yourself right now, which I strongly, highly recommend you to, the link will be pinned down below in the comment section and also the first link in the description of this video. Go check out the artist for yourself. Reaction boss approve. However, we just say girl in the back seat, you know what that mean.
Pull up by your studio, left that abandoned.
Yeah.
GT to London, kick flow like Van Damme.
Yeah.
Van Damme, tell them I miss a one done.
What
The
done?
boy them want beef with me. Livestock, so me pull up on them foot just like some white socks. Man, I shooting star lace up me eye tops. The gal them send me so fly like me got this. Every time we try for knock we do, we climb higher and higher. Yeah, higher and higher. Every time we try for knock we do, we climb higher and higher. Yeah, higher and higher. We a talk about bad mind and hateful and grudge. They try to stop it, but we know me no budge. Bad mind, envy, full and grudge. They try to stop it, but we don't give a fuck.
Above them, they watching down, that me not backing down. Don't catch you lacking, no rice, but you're backing. Like go hand me snapping, now go hand it happen now. No man can stop it now, hold that down, locking down. Y'all getting lashing now, big guns and chopping down. Bust down, she stacking now, release the cracking now.
Full of style, full of gimmick, full of rhyme, full of lyrics, pull my files.
People, we don't need to get that song trending right now. People, that song need to go trending right now. Someone want to come off of my video. Want to go click the link down below in the comment section. The link pinned in the comment section. Want to go click that link there right now. Like click the link. No. Click the link. Like the video. Spam some fire emojis on the film video. And you can come back and watch my one. But people, this need to go trending right now. You see the man know much of the world. You see the man the video bad. You see the man the lyrics bad. You see and hear it for yourself. Me not lie to you. Bumbo Cleen, pull up a little bit. Go on.
Now no man can stop it now, hold that down, locking down. Y'all getting lashing now, big guns and chopping down. Bust down, she stacking now, release the cracking
Full of
now.
style, full of gimmick, full of rhyme, full of lyrics, pull my files. You can see it from my files. You can hear it to my flow so strong like my beating past spinach. Real top thoroughbred dog, check the lineage. Want a bag full of green like me coming from the market.
Yeah.
The gal them say me dark and my sweet just like chocolate. Left the place messy when me school like
Yo,
this.
no. Let's just talk about this video, dog. The graphics, you see me, I say the visuals, the lyrics, everything I was seeing in this video, people. On points. Am I capping to you right now? Yeah, we are watching the video. I know I can reason with you guys. You understand? I mean, no someone can watch a video too. Reason with me. The lyrics, the visuals. First of all, towards start out, people, the cartel reference. You see me, I say, cartel big up Guyana. And say, haters, you know, the instrumental alone sell you already. Then the cartel reference. Then the lyrics. Then the video. People. Dappa the done. People. Go subscribe to the dark channel, people. You see me, I say, you can know say the reaction bar send nobody. So go watch that video and comment under the video. Say no, say the reaction bar. Say the reaction bar send me over, yes sir. Go and go comment that. If me go up on the video and see you comment, then I go shout it up on my Instagram, I go shout it up on the next video. So no need to go over there and comment right now. Go over there and comment right now. Like no. Dog. Go on.
Them know send me all about my paper. Every time I try for knock we do, we climb higher and higher. Yeah, higher and higher. Every time I try for knock we do, we climb higher and higher.
Hope you know this like
higher
a bad
and higher. We are talk about bad mind and hateful and grudge. They try to stop it, but we know.
More people know say sing a bad bumbo class song in the brother. And that me I tell you to the youth. You see me I say, I want you and watch a video right now to support the thing, dog. You see me I say. You see me? This is one of the reasons why we do this now and then, dog. You see me I say, for recognize real bumbo class tune like them, man. I see tune like that song. A bad song. I'm gonna tell you to go over there right now. Russian boss God now. Enough chattings now. Enough said it now. Your song bad. You see me I say. Video sell off. Run tune before we sign out. You want to big up to the artist again. Dappa the Dan and Cleen Steve. You don't know the chap in the reaction box represent for one time. You know, it's a big up to Caspa the producer and the videographer, Ninja Visual Arts. You don't know the chap in the people. Yo! Song is bad. I'm going to go check out the song. Really Click link down below in the description and also in the comment section. We say big up to Nerve and also is me I say aka Prezi and the whole vertical music group Russian Boss representing right now. Sign out. Okay.